Innovation Materials Technology Company, Limited. It is a research and development company. Manufacturing and sales are integrated. World-class functional thin film technology, smart engineering. Covering an area of 13,200 square meters. Forge ahead with determination. Innovation breakthrough. Tradition and innovation intersect and merge here. Also this belief. Integrate into Bolluo technology for the future. Investment exceeds 200 million yuan. Built a 1,000-level dust-free clean workshop. And introduced world-class core production lines. There are also 200 technical patents. From the hardware source. Ensure the leading technology, stability with the product. Factory introduction, visualization, digitization. Intelligent management system. Drive the whole process to improve quality and efficiency. Adhere to the quality bottom line. All-round traceability of raw materials. Real-time inspection of the production process. Strict supervision of storage and transportation processes. Scientific management, full link. From domestic to international. More than 100 city operators. Over 80 provincial-level agents. 30 overseas partners. Ruichuang's quality footprint covers the world. Winning high recognition and trust from customers both domestically and internationally. Committed to providing high-performance full film quality to customers nationwide. Security protection solutions.